Now let's look at the 8 service design processes, starting with design coordination. Design coordination ensures the consistent and effective design of new or changed IT services, service management, information systems, architectures, technology, processes, information, and metrics. By orchestrating all service design activities, processes, and resources. Service catalog management is about ensuring a single source of consistent information is available on all agreed services by producing and maintaining a current and accurate service catalog that's widely available to those approved to access it. Service level management is about keeping paying the bills customers satisfied with our services by knowing what services we provide and what they look like when they're done right, including service levels and cost. We do this by making only commitments we can consistently keep, and by systematically managing customer expectations and perceptions. Availability management is about maintaining services availability under normal business operating circumstances by designing and managing services to keep them up and running. Should they go down, designing and managing services so we can get them up quickly within specified service levels and costs. Capacity management is about ensuring IT capacity, storage, compute, bandwidth, and so on, matches business needs at all times. We do this by understanding current business needs and IT capacity and by anticipating future business needs and IT capacity requirements and delivering the right resources at the right time at the right cost. IT service continuity management, which you may know as disaster recovery or contingency planning, is about ensuring that in the abnormal operating circumstance of us being out of business or a business interruption, we can restore the predetermined and agreed on IT services when required to resume business. Information security management is about aligning IT security with business security, ensuring it is effectively managing all service management activities, and focusing on all IT security issues and activities to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of our information and technology assets. Supplier management is about ensuring that all contracts with our suppliers support business needs and about ensuring suppliers and their services meet contractual commitments for quality and cost so that we consistently obtain value for money from suppliers.